Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. It is gonna be, or supposed to be, a beautiful Saturday morning. It's a little cool this morning, first thing, but it's supposed to warm up real nice. The way they're talking, we're actually supposed to have the warmest February we've had in a while. So let's get started with a walk around the shop. We're gonna start over here in the paint shop side. Show you what we got in the booth here. Got a little Colorado I had to do some work to. Got the bedside fixed and painted on it. Had a little spot on tailgate. Turned out real nice. Get it done. Should be able to get it untaped today or Monday morning. Get it out. We won't probably try to get it untaped to get it out today. That way it'll be in the sun baking. You know, our outside baking oven. We got the little Copart Sentra in here. Alan's been cleaning on it. Got the front end done, except for the emblem, waiting on it to come in. Paperwork was sent off yesterday. Inspector should be here hopefully next week. So Alan's got it in here shining on it. Taking the trunk apart, getting it all cleaned up. Going to clean up the insides real good. It's a real clean car already. But you know how interior and stuff is in the car. You can't never be too clean. We'll get all these jams cleaned up. Get all that real nice. This will be a real nice little car for someone. Good on gas. I think it's right at 98,000 miles, somewhere in there. A little 06 model. Yeah, a little older in years, but still real good shape. And these were real good cars. Like I said, we've had a few of them and known people that's had a few of them. That was one reason when Alan saw it on Copart and saw the mileage that he put a bid in on it, because knew should make somebody a good little car. Like I said, he's got the trunk all apart, getting all that cleaned up, getting the tail lights clean, all that stuff. Still got to get the toe board made and get started back on the Torino. Hopefully soon. Need to get some batteries on the F-150 and F-250 and see if we can hook up our top Don scanner and see if it'll pull anything on them 7.3 diesels. It'll crank up and run fine, but it likes to do a little rop, 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 rop every so often. You know what I mean? Right over there is the Corvette Alan took in on trade. The Camaro was gone. Got the GMC finished. Get the zoom away. Got the GMC finished. The Jeep, I don't know if y'all remember, fixed here a little while back. It is cleaned up, ready for sale. Seemed like we've done the fender and stuff on it. Just some front end stuff. But nice little Jeep turned out. Had a guy message me, two guys messaged me yesterday about the tailgate off his red truck. And one said he was gonna message me about it and the bumper back again today, because he was interested in them, but he was over there towards West Alabama. And then I had another message me last night and said he was gonna get with me today after work. He was a welder, and I said, well, I've got another guy. I said, and we're first come, first serve. Can't hold it for nobody, because I'm still waiting on another guy to come get the bumper from 2 weeks ago that's coming right after work. Another guy's coming to get the radio and the cluster right after work. Evidently, they work like 6 days long. Their afternoon just ain't come yet. And that's why I told the guy last night, I cannot hold it. So what does he do? He says, hey, I'll be there within an hour, or in an hour. So I messaged Alan. Alan, yeah, I can meet him. And here we are, still waiting on that hour. So anyway, that's why you can't hardly hold parts off of, you put them up on Marketplace. We've got the 12 GT up here on the frame machine. It's got a little buckle and a quarter panel. So we're gonna have to hook to the rear body part there, pull it back some, get all that straightened out. It's not bad. Just enough to cause little problems. But we'll get that hooked up, get it pulled out, and hopefully get the rear body put in and start that kind of stuff. Got to pull the side skirts off here first so we can get the pinch wheel clamps. Not sure if you know much about a frame machine, but right over there is what is called the pinch wheel clamps. You bolt them down to the frame machine, and then you bolt the clamp part onto the pinch wells. It gets it up off. Then when you hook the tower to it and you start pulling it backwards, that car's not going anywhere because it's mounted secure down to the frame machine. But anyway, like I said, hopefully we'll get started pulling on that. I cannot exactly remember what was on this car. Maybe Alan or Drake One will drop in the comments, and they'll leave a little comment on what was up with this one, because I cannot remember for sure. It's got a little scrub on the door. Bumper cover's kind of loose there. It may be something to do with that. I'm not 100% sure. Got this Toyota in here. Got some quarter panel damage and rear bumper damage. Jesus has been working on it. Hopefully get it in the paint. He's getting it taped up for primer right now. Hopefully get it in the booth next week, get it painted. The Oldsmobile wagon, just about finished. Guy wanted some painting underneath, like the frame. Wants us to paint the inner wheel wells, get all that blackened out and all that. So still got that to do, then clean it up. Got a little Buick, what do you call them? Retta, can't pronounce it. I really never have been able to pronounce them, but I think that's what it is, Retta. Drake could tell you. Riata. Miata, Retta. That's why I just showed him the name. What you got going on this morning, Drake? You done cooked breakfast?
Cooked breakfast.
Done fixed breakfast?
Done ate it. Done drank 2 cups of coffee.
And a glass of iced tea?
No, I didn't drink that.
What about the little blue car out front? I couldn't.
Small model.
Oh, yeah. Duh. What's bad is I drove Alan over there to pick it up Thursday, and I have no idea what it is. Well, the bumper cover's loose. It's got a little scuff on the door. Well, sorry about that. We lost connection there, and then Drake just took off running. Guess he didn't want to be on camera. But anyway, what we decided was Riata. Anyway, it's all over paint job, working on it. Got the Oldsmobile hood. Got it painted under the bottom, blocked a few times on top. Just about ready for paint. Got the parts painted for the F1. Hopefully we can get them bolted back up. Get this thing rolling. Get the fender painted, the front piece painted, and get it on the road, on down the road out of the shop. Joey been final sanding on the jams. I think just about got another coat of primer on them. We got the Maverick undercoated and the rear end put in. Hopefully we can get it bolted all the way up, get it down off the rack, get it out of the way. Anyway, that's about everything we got going on around in the shop. Got a few things scheduled for next week, waiting on the insurance companies to finish up. One hitting the rear, one running to in the parking lot, I think. Hopefully the insurance will get them straightened out pretty soon and we can get started on them. But appreciate everybody tuning in. 256 Garage out.